Michelle. Can you share how Junior House PSLE student masters science with ease?
Sure, let me introduce to you our PSLE Science Revision booklet, a comprehensive guide that will change the way you learn. Inside, you will find summary maps meticulously organized to enhance your understanding of the key science concepts. Covering topics from P3 to P6, our booklet ensures mastery at every level. Here you go. Oh.
Whoa, it's so colorful, fun, and easy to read. There's even a useful map that demystifies science terminologies, making complex terms simple and easy to grasp.
And for those who are seeking for quick answers, our booklet features popular questions and answer framework, providing you the knowledge at your fingertips.
Don't miss out on this invaluable resource. Join us today and get a copy of the science booklet.